Lesson 8, fractions and percents, and the inch ruler. Fractions and percents are used to name parts of a whole. In a fraction, we have a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is the number in the top. So we're going to do an example of a fraction, 1/6. The denominator is the number that goes below the fraction bar. The numerator tells how many are selected. And in the denominator, that's how many total equal parts. The denominator of a percent is always 100. So if I had, say, 25% and I wanted to rewrite that as a fraction, I put the 100 in the denominator and the 25 in the numerator. So the percent sign actually means out of 100. A mixed number is a whole number with a fraction next to it. Here's an example of a mixed number: 2 3/4, 1 1/2, 6 1/8. That's 3 examples of mixed numbers. Example on a number line of a mixed number. So let's say we had this number line. This is 5. Let's make that 6. We're going to count by fourths. 7, 8, 9, etc. Oh, okay. This one right here, boom, is 7 3/4. So the 3 represents how many lines past the 7. 1, 2, 3. So this is lines over from the 7. The 4 is how many spaces between the 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the spaces between. When we have what's called an inch ruler, you guys have all seen these before. Draw an example of an inch ruler. They have a 1/16, then a 1/8, usually is a little bit longer, 3/16, 4/16 would be 1/4, 5/16, 6/16, which is the same thing as 3/8, 7/16, 8/16 would be 1/2, 9/16, 10/16, which is the same thing as 5/8, 11/16, 12/16 counts as 3/4, 13/16, 14/16, which is the same thing as 7/8, 15/16, and then 16/16 would be 1. We're just going to stop it there at 1 inch. So this is an example. Now, of course, this isn't exactly 1/16 of an inch, but so that you can see, there's going to be 16 spaces between 0 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if I wanted to do the 15th line over, it would be 15 out of 16 total. When you are measuring the greatest possible measuring error, on any measuring device, so due to the instrument that you're using, is 1/2 the unit that marks the instrument. So for example, in this inch ruler, it is marked by 1/16. So 1/2 of a 1/16, which is 1/32nd, is the error that is possible when using an inch ruler that's marked in 1/16. So you might error by 1/32nd on either side. And that's the end of the lesson.